Good morning. So we've been up for about an hour now, and we'll be driving up to the event for the half marathon here shortly. We have the dogs fed and they've been outside. I'm all ready to go. I think I have everything I need. Have my bib number on. And we're ready to go. So I'll keep you updated.
Morning.
Good morning. So we are now driving. It is somewhat muggy, so I don't like the muggy sweat. Yeah, and so it's 70 degrees. There should be no rain until later on, and we're just gonna have a good time. This is Mike's first half marathon. He's been training all summer.
Like a champ.
He's up to how many miles? 14 and a half.
Yeah, that's the farthest so far.
Yeah, and he's going over the 13.1 miles for a half marathon because we are training for a full marathon of 26.2 miles in January. All right, so now we're parked and we'll be getting ready to head up to where the start is. Maybe hit the bathroom before we get out there.
That he was okay with doing.
I found a hot air balloon.
You did what?
It's back there.
I say we don't make any.
He used to have a bunch of them.
Yeah. I mean, it moves pretty good.
Pretty cool.
For amber waves of green, for purple mountain majesties above the fruited plains. America, America, God shed His blood on me and crown thy good with brotherhood from sea to shining sea.
Please try to make sure it's on the front.
Ready.
We're going to be taking pictures. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
We just got over the starting line. See you in a few miles. We're about a mile in. I just wanted to show you some of the beautiful scenery. Trying to keep it as stable as possible. I don't have my gimbal on, guys. Okay, we're at mile 3. Just 10 more to go. It's pretty muggy. I'm feeling okay. So I'll probably check back with you at mile 6. That's all uphill. Yay. I'll be jogging that, maybe walking it, who knows.
Perfect grade.
Hello.
And a baby goat in the back.
It's really hard to not stop and get pictures.
I know it is.
Okay, we're getting pretty close to mile 7. So I have about a 10K to go, and that means that I'm halfway there. I think I have some people that want to say hello. Hello, how are you? Very nice to meet you. Hello, nice spectators you have here at this race. There's mile 10, everybody. I'm pretty tired. I think I might want to go home, but I have this 5K to finish up here to get my 13.1 in. It's brutal out here today.
She's doing it! She's doing it!
Thank you. All right, we're getting to mile 12 and hopefully I have some special animals to show you. Should be cool. No, this is my 4th year running it.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. It's been tough this time. Yeah. It is what it is, right? Aren't they pretty camels? Hello, camels. Hello. Come over here. Come on over. No. Darn. Hello there. Hi, how you doing? There they are, the camels.
You got it! Finish strong! Let's go! Go, Clarissa! Woo!
Well, guys, we made it.
Yep, we didn't die.
Yeah, show them your medal. Woohoo! Mike's official first half marathon complete. Here's my 4th horseshoe. Now I have 4 hooves.
Yeah,
I look pretty bad.
you're ready to go. Go plow that field.
Oh my God. It was brutal, but I made it through.
That was a hot run today, not gonna lie.
It was humid. All right, we'll check in. They give a community barbecue afterwards.
It's
So,
the best.
Yep.
Bye.
Bye. Mike's getting us lemonade. We showed up a little bit late to the barbecue and they were out of most everything except for they had hot dogs left and everything. But that was our fault because we went back to the truck and changed clothes and everything. So my suggestion is maybe not wait and just clean up as much as you can before you go get your food. Because they normally have barbecue chicken and hot dogs and all kinds of stuff. Well, we had our little barbecue and now we're heading back to the campground. We both were successful and Mike did a really, really good job.
Pretty good, yeah. It was warm, very warm.
It was warm, yes. Yep. So,
Thick air.
yep. So we'll do this again. We have another half marathon coming up in October.
Yeah, how many weeks is that, like 6? Something like that?
Yeah.
7?
Yeah. So, and we're training for a full marathon too, so we're gonna have to get longer miles
up.
in. Yep.
Get the miles up.
Mileage. We gotta get mileage.
Respect the mileage.
Thank you, everyone.